Hello everyone, Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Market conditions, mildly bullish in a bull market that hasn't changed now for a couple of days. Still focusing on this consolidation pattern. Still has some bullish tones to it, some undertones to it. We are towards the upper end of the momentum range. Just need that breakout that we're kind of waiting for. It really feels like in this case the market's just pausing, potentially waiting for some kind of catalyst, but nonetheless, still dealing with a little bit of bearishness in the buy-sell ratio here, but I pointed this out yesterday as these are starting to work themselves back together. We may be getting close for some more upside here. The sentiment location also is allowing for that possibility, a bounce off this location here, off this halfway point, and some more upside. So the mildly bullish setting is good at this point because it really is. We're just leaning that direction now in this new uptrend, this new bullish uptrend, and so we should be able to see some buy the dip mentality and starting to see opportunities here in the markets. The new buy list, a good looking stock here, AMND, biotech. Uptrend, real strong uptrend, and just been consolidating now, but you can see these series of higher lows, and it's working its way towards this breakout. So a potential breakout candidate right here, AMND, and be watching for that. It's had a long time of consolidation too, so the next move potentially could be a pretty nice one. If those breakouts, when those breakouts happen, a lot of times they'll break out to the length of the last retracement, but could be more or less than that, obviously. But that pattern is what we're looking at right here today. And a couple others here in the new buy list. Let's take just a quick look on GNE, utility stock, also potential breakout candidate right there. DAWN in a pretty deep retracement. These can be kind of contrarian type plays where they've been deeply oversold and they're starting to turn that corner, and you can get a little bit of a bounce, but we do have that long-term trend which is down, and so not an ideal setup right there. OCUL, nice setup also, potential for some continuation on that. Really some nice looking stocks. Rambus, we've seen some moves in semiconductor and chip stocks. Intel, AMD, Rambus is going to fall into that category as well. So we're seeing tech kind of come to life a little bit. If we look at the indexes, we're looking at, if we look down here to the NASDAQ 100, you can see that that's climbing. And it's got a buy-sell ratio of 1. So in this case, it's got a handful of stocks in the hold signal. You've got 27 in the buy, 26 in the sell. So you're finding some equilibrium there in the NASDAQ 100 index, which are going to be those tech stocks: NVIDIA, Intuitive Surgical, Veritex, Monster Beverage, Microsoft, Apple, some of the big players, Amazon in there. Those are all trending up currently. So we're seeing that mildly bullish tone. We just are not getting a huge amount of participation, and I need a breakout to really get this trend to continue and to advance from here. If you don't have full access to the site, you can sign up with the link below. We look forward to having you. Have a great day today.